Hi and welcome to
Vincenzo's plate!
Oh yes, with Lucio's plate. Lucio, today we are comparing two amazing pizzas. Today is the fight of the pizzas. We have the real authentic margherita versus the fried pizza margherita. Hey,
Yes,
Lucio?
to be more precise, Montanara Fritta
Montanara Pizza from Naples.
from Naples.
Lucio is from Naples, he's very proud. The name is Montanara Pizza versus real margherita.
Margherita.
Who is gonna be the winner?
So basically now we're gonna cook the Montanara Fritta, and is basically a pizza that is deep fried in a vegetable oil and topped with tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese and fresh basil leaves. Okay, in the old days basically they used to use the leftover of the ragu that was made on a Sunday, because back then Sunday is a ragu day. So basically, again, we have a pizza dough. Basically, before, as I show you, we leave the edge around. Yeah, we leave a puffy edge around. Now we have to do the other way around. We don't leave any edge. So basically, what I do, I push the edge and I leave a little bit of thickness in the middle. Yeah. And then what we do, with the help of a fork if you like, if you are home and want to use the same thing, you can use a fork. And this is ready to be fried.
Lucio, how much do you love this, Lucio?
A lot. Look,
How hot is the oil? 180.
you gotta make sure the oil goes everywhere.
Beautiful. How many times do you turn the pizza?
Once. Basically, you want to make sure that you're gonna get golden brown color. So once it's golden brown, that's pretty much ready.
Are you golden brown?
I'm brown. And that's it.
Nice. Wow, so you want the oil to go everywhere?
Absolutely.
You want to get rid of the oil?
Yeah, a little bit. So basically, the characteristic of the Montanara or any pizza fritta is that it has to be golden brown, but you gotta make sure that it's not soggy, it's not full of oil. And when you eat it, it has to be, you gotta feel a little bit of a crunchiness in it. There we go, guys. So basically, we're gonna add a bit of some Marzano tomato sauce.
You put more than normal
A little bit
margherita.
more. A little bit more because you wanna make sure that it's nice and juicy. You know what I mean? You wanna abbondante.
Oh, pecorino cheese.
Beautiful. We added some Marzano tomato sauce, okay, and then pecorino cheese, okay, absolutely nice. And I'm generous because you want to make sure that otherwise it's too doughy, you know what I mean? So, and then what we're gonna do, some fresh buffalo mozzarella on top of it.
Why buffalo and not fior di latte?
In this case, because we're not gonna cook the pizza, we're gonna use just raw ingredients, okay? Buffalo, it's a kind of a cheese that is good to eat cooked and raw, okay? Fior di latte is good cheese, but has to be cooked. And then after that, few basil leaves. It gives the flavor, it gives the color, and that's it. Beautiful.
You don't need any oil because it's been cooked.
No, you don't need any oil because it's infused, it's cooked in oil, you know. So all you need is cut it and eat it. Okay, so basically this is the time where we stretch the dough. Basically it's all hand stretched, we don't use any rolling pin. We start from the bottom, yeah. So starting from the bottom, we go all the way up, and then when we go all the way up, we leave 1 centimeter of edge, yeah?
Yes.
And then we turn the pizza upside down, and again, starting from the bottom, we go all the way up. So what I'm doing here, I'm pushing all the air from the bottom, and when I go all the way up, leaving 1 centimeter of edge, that's where the air goes. Yeah, so basically I do this basically a couple of times, okay, and again I repeat myself. I start from the bottom and I go all the way up, and this is basically a few movements. Once the dough is very soft and elastic to touch, it's quite easy to stretch it. We start from obviously the San Marzano tomato sauce.
And what do we make with San Marzano? What is that?
Basically, the San Marzano tomato sauce, it's a kind of tomato that grows in the Vesuvio area, yeah? Okay. So we don't add anything into the sauce apart of the salt and the basil. We don't add any oregano or garlic. So the next step is to add the fior di latte mozzarella, okay? So basically, how much of it? 80, maximum 100 grams.
Oh, yum, yes.
All right, fior di latte, it's a kind of cheese that is suitable for pizzas.
Buffalo mozzarella?
Buffalo mozzarella, absolutely. You can use a buffalo or fior di latte.
And what do we do after the mozzarella?
That, absolutely. We had a bit of Romano cheese, okay? No Parmesan, Romano, which is a kind, which is more salty. Yeah, a sprinkle of cheese and some basil, fresh basil leaves.
Beautiful.
Into the pizza.
You put the basil before you cook it, or can you actually put the basil?
There are many ways to do it. Some people like to put it before, some people like to put it after. Because we already put basil into the sauce, we put it after. And then after that, a nice drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. That's it.
A nice generous amount.
Generous amount. We're talking about forno a legna. The wood fire oven, guys, Neapolitan style pizza, they need to be cooked with really high temperature. Yeah, we're talking about 450 degrees, and you know it only takes 90 seconds to be cooked. So at this stage, we're gonna put the pizza on a shovel, okay, or pizza peel. There we go. Bear in mind that the last spot down the bottom is it's extremely hot. Yeah, it's very important also to know the temperature in the oven. Every single spot in the oven has a different temperature. You gotta lift it up one ear of the pizzas to make sure that the bottom is not getting burnt. Yeah. So once it's ready, we're gonna pull it out a little bit, a little twist and turn back into the same position. 5 seconds like this, and the pizza is ready to go.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a perfect margherita, Lucio.
This is, you can see that the dough is nice and fluffy, nice, beautiful color on top. The dough is soft but fragrant in the same time.
So, Lucio, what do we have left to do now?
Basically, Enzo, the last step to do is to cut it and to heat it, and I'll show you how to heat it.
Oh, you want to show me how to eat it?
Yes.
Okay, you don't think I know how to eat it?
No, it's nothing to do with the belly. There is a technique how to eat a Neapolitan style pizza, yeah?
Let's show us.
Absolutely.
Oh, the moment we cut the fried pizza. Beautiful. Crunchy.
Can you see the crunchiness? Yeah.
Moist inside, I'm assuming.
Absolutely.
I'll tell you where to start. The thing is, we put them together.
Yeah.
The thing is, Lucio, how can you choose the winner in these situations? We have history. We got history because fried pizza in Naples always been a thing. Montanara, sorry. Or the classic margherita. It's a bit hard. So we need to get our friends who are watching right now to pick. We need to know from you which one you think is the winner, according to our reactions. Let's eat it. And let's show them the reaction.
The reaction of the eyes and the face.
Okay, let's see which one.
So,
where do we start?
I'll start with this one.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start with this.
Let's go.
The San Marzano tomato takes over on this.
I love it.
Takes over. The freshness of buffalo mozzarella, my friend, it's the best. The dough, even though it's cooked in oil, in vegetable oil, it's not that.
It's not heavy.
No.
No.
Is that because of the dough?
The beauty of pizza fritta or Montanara fritta, has to be crunchy outside, yummy inside, and you gotta make sure. And it's not doughy at all. It's not. I mean, it's not oily at all. But the combination of all these cold ingredients, as you said, the San Marzano, the basil, the buffalo mozzarella, it's a good marriage.
It is. Well, I can't wait. It's too slow. Sorry. I need to go.
You go.
I need to keep going. So, and now we eat it.
Beautiful.
And
the first bite.
you have to eat with your hands.
Yeah.
I can't eat pizza with forks.
Nice, eh?
Melts in your mouth.
One.
Friabile.
True. There we go.
I mean, you don't go wrong with the margherita. The only sad part about this is the fried pizza. You can eat it every day. The margherita.
Agreed. Agreed.
If I have to choose, I get the margherita to win because it's an everyday food. Everyday winner.
Yeah.
Like
you
I
know
said,
what?
I can have this every couple of months.
Yeah.
But when you eat it, oh my God, it's like Christmas came back.
That's right.
It's like it's Christmas today.
That's right.
Thank you so much.
Once
guys.
a week, this is a winner, and for everyday pizza, this is a winner.
I agree. Once a week. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. Thanks
Not
to
a problem.
Lucio
Thank you very
from
much.
Lucio Pizzeria Sydney. E ora si mangia.
Buon appetito.
Vincenzo's Plate.
Ciao.
I'm 11.